Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to deep clean your home without harsh chemicals, steam cleaners are the way to go. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best steam cleaners that deliver spotless results for your floors, upholstery, and more. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop. We like this model's slim body design for streamlined storage and its large cleaning head to cover more ground with each pass. Though some users say the water tank and tank cap can be hard to remove, once you get it going, it's easy to tackle tough stuck-on dirt with the all-in-one Spot Boost scrub brush. Simply step down on the foot pedal to remove the steamer from the head, revealing the Spot Boost brush underneath. Yes, other steamers have scrub brushes included, but we like that you don't have to swap attachments here, especially when cleaning grout. For added freshness, this model comes with fragrance discs. Slip them into the head or microfiber pad to add a subtle yet noticeable scent to your room. In our testing, a previous model Bissell Lift-Off Steam Mop earned a good cleaning score and a very good steaming performance score. Coming in at number 4, we have the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. For a powerful machine that can be used on bathroom and kitchen surfaces, cars, and mattresses, try the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. We found it to be effective at cleaning grout, glass, and floors, as well as accessing hard-to-reach areas. It effortlessly converts from a steam cleaner to a steam mop, and attachment switching is simple. Each one snaps securely into place, and their temperature stays comfortable to the touch. The small brush attachment was great for detailed cleaning and got rid of stains from tiles and grout lines. Despite being powerful, it operates quietly. The intuitive trigger operation, along with the comfortable handle with adjustable length, makes it easy to use even during longer cleaning sessions. Its steam lance, which resembles the ones you find on pressure washers, cleaned away dirt on windowsills, although it did produce some splatter that needed wiping. Filling the water reservoir is a piece of cake, but there's no clear water level indicator, making it difficult to know when it's full. You're also supposed to use a funnel, which isn't included. The wheeled base allows it to be rolled around smoothly, and its cube-shaped design makes for convenient storage. It also comes with 17 accessories and attachments. At number 3, the Bissell PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop. The Bissell PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop is a steam mop, extended steam cleaner, and handheld steam cleaner all in one. And we found this machine to be effective at cleaning the various surfaces we tested it on. The bristle brushes tackled grime on tiles and grout without much effort, and the grout tool was great at reaching narrow spaces. It comes with an array of other attachments, a measuring cup for precise water filling, and a see-through water tank to monitor the water level. It also has a wide opening for spill-free refills. Our only issue was that the angle concentrator tool for window tracks was a little messy to use, as it splattered all the grime and steam everywhere. The handheld pod has a comfortable design and a well-placed steam release button, but it did take us a little while to figure out how to detach it from the extension wand. We found that the attachments clicked onto the device easily, with little arrows indicating where to line them up. However, it's worth noting that they do get quite hot to the touch after use, so you'll have to either wait for them to cool down before swapping or wear thick gloves. Other than that, it's lightweight and easy to use and move around. It operates quietly, has a quick heat-up time, and has clear readiness indicators. There's also ample cord length so you can access every corner of the house. Taking the second spot is the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Looking for a good steam mop to safely clean various floor types? We recommend the lightweight, efficient, and budget-friendly PurSteam Steam Mop Cleaner 10-in-1. This machine has a clearly visible water tank, and although the description says it takes up to 30 seconds to heat up, we found it ready to go in just 9. This steam cleaner made us proud when it came to hard stains, particularly the mud masks on tiles that it cleaned in a couple of passes. Its powerful steam output along with the included microfiber pad attachment for glass cleaning, got our windows and glass surfaces sparkling. The squeegee attachment then did a stellar job of wiping down the excess water. It converts from mop to cleaner easily, but its design made it somewhat awkward and uncomfortable to hold, almost like the handle was in our way. We also would have preferred a trigger instead of having to turn it off every time we needed to put it down. We found that the attachments weren't as simple to swap out as with some other models, but we did appreciate the stable base that prevents it from tipping over. And finally, at number 1, we have the McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch Steam Cleaner is a lightweight yet heavy-duty machine that effectively cleaned hard water, mascara, and mud mask stains with ease. Its water capacity of 48 ounces provides enough steam for extended cleaning sessions, and despite its large capacity, we still found the cleaner to be portable even when filled with water. It also comes equipped with several attachments, plus a measuring cup and funnel that makes it easy to fill. Changing attachments was a breeze due to its user-friendly push-down button mechanism. All attachments slide on and off effortlessly. It's worth noting that the unit does take longer to heat up than the manual claims. While the manufacturer says it takes 2 to 8 minutes, it took 12 to 15 minutes in our testing. There's no external water level indicator on this model, so you need to carefully measure the water before adding it so as not to inadvertently overfill the tank. While useful, the locking button for continuous steam proved somewhat challenging to use, but this did not significantly detract from the overall cleaning experience. And there you have it, our top 5 best steam cleaners for tackling dirt, grime, and germs in your home. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.